Yeah, what's up, guys, man? Take a look. Looks like the Hot Wheels aisle got cleaned out, except for this might be today's. They probably just put them out. The Fast and the Furious Rewind, which I had been on the hunt for it for a long time now. Well, I already have my 3 over here. The 3 that I'm taking, I already traded for the Skyline, so it'll be pointless to take them. But yeah, there's such great castings that I am tempted, but I got plenty, and I know there's people out there who do not have it, so just gonna leave those there and take the 3 that I need to complete a set. So yeah. Same location, and I was telling somebody, man, the Hot Wheels were on sale at Target, but I didn't know that the ID track, the smart track kit, is also on clearance. Well, at least at this location, but still not my best interest, the ID Hot Wheels. So just a heads up, I guess. I'm not taking them, just for you guys' information out there. If you thought it was a little too expensive, then maybe 125. It's not. I still think it is, but that's because my kids, they play rough. But anyway, see you guys, and yeah. So once again, this is what I took from that Target. Sweet castings. Take a look, man. These things are nice. And the reason I didn't get the Skylines is because I am about to open this box, which was a trade from Mr. Wesley Talbert. But we'll get to it in a minute, man. Take a look. I went to the Target, and they had this Honda Type R in black. Very nice casting for sure. So lucky for me to have found. This is my 3rd one. And take a look. I got these 2 Impalas, but one of the blisters was cracked. You can tell right here. But it's no biggie. And after the fact, I noticed that it was missing also the windshield. ¿Qué pasó? Ahorita termina y vamos a jugar. So you can see the windshield on this one.
This one?
Yeah, the windshield.
Yeah. And the windshields?
Mm-hmm.
And these 3 houses are cool.
Yeah, these are very cool, man.
Because they're awesome and so fast. They're always the north side.
Yes, they're awesome and they are fast. So we're gonna go ahead and open the first box.
The first box?
Yeah, this was a trade box.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and oh, by the way, I already sent. Sí, cálmate. I already sent the Outer World Silverado that I promise I'll be sending it once I found it. You wanna help me?
Yeah.
Okay, a ver, hazle para allá, para acá. Hard. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. This is a child-proof, espérame, knife cutter.
It's good, right?
So, it's all good. A ver. Ahora sí. Agárralo aquí y hazle para allá. Fuerte. Con las 2 manos. There you go. Alright, there we are. Espérame, déjame ver. So, yeah, there it is. A lot of protection in the box. Thank you. A ver, Quitarle el cartón. Thank you. Wow.
What's this?
What is it?
There's that
Damn. Espérate. Vamos a ver. So we have
100 truck with this solar.
this is a Silverado step side with a soda on the on the bed. Wow, this is a nice one.
Yes. Let me see. Oh yes, look the bear right here.
There's the bears. They're drinking Coke.
Yes, it's like this one.
Yes, there's two of the
Here's
same.
one more.
A ver, let's see. Let me see.
Here's one.
Wow, we got the Square Body Syndicate.
Syndicate.
Sweet casting.
Lego.
The one I found had the chrome spokes. Espérame. A ver, vente para acá, enséñame de este lado. And wow, ¿qué color es este?
Blue.
Es una blue. There it is, the Chevrolet Custom Deluxe 10 in blue, square body, sweet piece. Okay. This guy wants to play with his cart. As soon as we're done over here, we can go play with your car. Take a look. I got a Mercedes Benz, the Unimog 1300. This is the regular treasure hunt. Thank you much. I already have that one, and so my son has it as well. I'm pretty sure he's got it open. And I also bought a Bubble-matic for him. He really enjoys this casting. Whenever we go to the park, he just blows them bubbles everywhere. But this is the treasure hunt A case. Thank you. And let's see what else is here. We have M2. This one looks like the case got damaged, but it's all good, no worries. This is the Cheyenne Super 10 Farmers 10. Very nice, sweet M2. And let's see what else is in here. We have another square body Syndicate Custom Deluxe 10 OJ. And take a look at them wheels. Very nice casting. These I saw one full sleeve, and I did not hesitate to get it because I have never seen it again. But take a look. This is the Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 10 green beans. Very nice. The one thing I do not like at all are the wheels. And look at this tire right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's pretty much out of the rim. That's the one thing I don't like about M2s, their wheels. In addition, take a look. We traded a super for a super, and then this one I did not find in the wild. Never found it, so thank you very much, man. Definitely not the same feeling when you find something pegged than when you trade it or you're doing a trade, but nevertheless, this is one more super that I did not have, and one more super closer to having the. Oh man, this is a great find, or a great casting. I only have found one Samek, and I went all over Phoenix, and I went far for me to find one of these, and I think I only found one, and then that was like about an hour and over an hour drive to find this casting. But of course, I mean, I didn't go just to that location. That location was 1 hour far away from my house. That's not including all the other stores that I went and look for it. And take a look. This is the Skyline HT 2000 GTX. sweet casting, man. And I didn't know I was gonna see it ever. Just like I saw it today pegged. So I didn't want to risk it, you know. I didn't want to miss out on this set. And not only one but two of the skylines. Thank you. And in addition, the C210 skyline, and there it is. And again, not one but two. So very nice. The card's a little bent, but I'm most likely gonna open the set. Like I said, I had made a deal with Devon. He was supposed to send me a set, and I paid in advance, but I don't know. I haven't heard from him. I just wish he's okay, man, because I don't know if he's like I said, if he's been on an accident or I don't know. I haven't heard anything from him. Like I said, I hope he's doing well, and you know, I mean, I don't want to think the worst. But yeah, worst case scenario, he's just trying to avoid me or whatever, but I doubt it. Well, that's the first box, and let's see what's on the second box. All right, so we're down to the second box. Kind of put everything over here before they get damaged, because my little one, I know how he gets. Ven, apriétale aquí. Ven a abrir esta caja. So here we go with the second box. Thank you. This guy. All right, and let's see. This is he sent this one because of the I sent him a chase piece, a M2 square body. It was like a 442 cutlass, 750 pieces. So the very next day he said he sent me some additional castings. Oh man, take a good look, guys. He definitely knows I'm a Fast and Furious JDM fan. I think I only found two of these, and that was not that long ago. Whenever I discovered them at the Walmart, I remember I was thinking that somebody had stashed them for the longest time, and the employee must have found them, because these was the only, there were two of the skylines, and there were the only two that were found on the end cap. And damn, take a look, Lamborghini Reventone Roadster. This one, I never saw it over here. This is a Target exclusive. Very nice, man. I'm missing the first three from these. I think I'm missing the last three as well. I don't even remember now. But yeah, definitely a great casting for sure. Thank you very much. And let's see, Volkswagen. Damn, this is also with the same set as the Lamborghini, and in black. I think this is the very first I've seen black. I didn't even know. I think, yeah, I didn't even know, or I don't remember there being a black GTI. And take a look, this one is I can't even see what it is. I can kind of guess it's probably the Flintstones, but I don't know. It kind of look like that. Oh man, what is this guy thinking? Ah, this is not the Flintstones. Oh man, take a look, guys. I can't even. Now this is great. This is what I really like, you know, like not knowing what's in the box, I guess. Take a look, guys. Man, I'm having a hard time getting these out. Oh man, I did not have this one as well. Lamborghini Aventador J Super Treasure Hunt. Man, now I have to get you something else, man, because Honestly, like, I did not expect this. Damn, this is just great. um this is awesome, man. Thank you very much. I have to make it up for you though. Just like I did with Clark. He sent me a random act of kindness when the Hot Wheels Legends tour came. And now that I found the Chase Beast M2, he said he would like to have it. And I was like, okay, man, don't need to worry. It's all yours. The same thing is going to happen with the Lamborghini. I have to make it up for you. So, yeah, anything, man. Like, this is now my set right here. Those three that I just bought, and then the ones that he sent me. And I don't know about Devon, man. Like I said, I haven't heard much from him. But yeah, man, I really appreciate this. Thank you, man. Like, and he's got protectors. I don't even have protectors for my supers. I don't. I don't know. Much appreciate it, man, cause totally unexpected. And yeah, man, I really like that feeling. And yeah, I was gonna show what I was gonna send Martine, but I really like that fact that I wasn't gonna know. Damn, this is crazy, man. Like, I honestly did not expect that. Thank you very much. I don't know, man. I don't know how to thank you. It was a great trade box, awesome trade box. Definitely, every single casting in these boxes are amazing. So yeah, thank you. I don't know, man. Like, I'm being so repetitive, speechless, and I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying, man. I'm just gonna cut it here. Thank you very much, and like I said, I'll make it up for you, man. Definitely. And we'll see you guys in the stay hunting. I'm gonna have to play with my little one and his Hot Wheel. A ver, tráelo, córrele. So yeah, see you guys, and definitely stay hunting. Cause, man, this is the it's undescribable, the feeling, man, when you find something that you have been looking for. Even though, I mean, it arrived, the fact that I didn't know is just a great feeling. Well, time to go play with my son, and this video will probably be uploaded tomorrow, Friday. Yeah.